in our journey towards the development of MSMEs is Akinjo Eju Foyin Salami. She's the CEO of EFINA. A round of applause for her, please. So having made these introductions, permit me to call on the no other person than the country head for MasterCard West Africa to give their goodwill message, Dr. Folashade. As I will always say, FCA. Please, a round of applause for her.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to celebrate MSMEs. So there's a lot to celebrate. There's a lot to be excited about. I won't waste your time because I know I am the bridge between you and having fun this evening. I will just touch on one or two things. Driving growth through technology and insights. This is what we do at MasterCard. It's a pleasure, just to begin with, to join you tonight to celebrate the entrepreneurs, policymakers, regulators, and private sector leaders who are driving Nigeria's MSME transformation and helping to unlock new growth for our economy. This evening is not just a celebration of achievements. It's a celebration of ambition, resilience, and the power of collaboration to build a sustainable digital economy. One where every business, no matter your size, can thrive. And we all know that MSMEs, they are the engine of Nigeria's economy. If you discountenance them, then you don't even know what is powering the economy. Micro, small, and medium enterprises. Indeed, they are the backbone of Africa's economic transformation. Globally, SMEs represent about 90% of all businesses and account for more than half of employment, underscoring their vital role in creating opportunity and driving shared prosperity. Here in Nigeria, according to the Nigeria Bureau of Statistics and Smithson survey, MSMEs contribute 46.32% to GDP. They account for 6.2% of exports, representing about 97% of businesses, and they provide 87.9% of employment. Please, let's celebrate the MSMEs. Those statistics are not just from the moon. They are reality of the effort all of us in this room we are making, and how we are impacting one another, and how we are making Africa and Nigeria proud. Our mission at MasterCard, just to touch on it, is to connect everyone everywhere to the digital economy, enabling MSMEs to grow beyond borders. And according to MasterCard SME Confidence Index, 73% of SMEs plan to expand their digital payment capabilities across various channels. I want to leave us with that we should chew over it even as we have the fun fair tonight. We must build trust through responsible innovation. I know AI can even order dinner, breakfast, and lunch for everyone, anyone as you like it.
That's why we always say that. All right. Now, some people are envious. They are still on ACA level. Wait, you get there. Some of us are FCA and FCCA. All right. On the program, we have what is called Dinner and Light Instrumental. I don't know what instrumental that will accompany that music that will help you consume fast. But the menu is on the table. And I've been asked to read the menu to serve as a guide to some persons who may have the discomfort or confusion on what to choose to eat. So if you don't know what to eat what you know. Because I will not have somebody having jollof rice with ogbono soup and then we have chaos afterwards. So we have jollof rice, fried rice, curry sauce with basmati white rice. We have ofada rice, assorted meat sauce, vegetable soup, semo, poundo. And for those of you who are asking if it's a balanced diet, there's protein like sauced chicken, sauced fish, sauced beef, grilled chicken, and on the side is moi moi. But moi moi should not be accompanied with semo and poundo. You have been advised. Coleslaw should not accompany semo and poundo. Neither should plantain accompany vegetable soup. So, ladies and gentlemen, they will go around now to take your orders, and we'll just take an interlude for 5 minutes. And after that, we're expecting our one of our keynote sponsors, headline sponsors, and if he's here, I will take his goodwill message as well. So, DJ, let's have some cool music.
Together as one, that two will shine like diamond ice, and I'll show you sweet memories that you want and need. Because I can brighten up your days, and when you're feeling bad, I put a smile on your face. Can you tell me of what grace must I pay to make you see things? Come into my life, I got so much love to show you. Come into my life, Lord, I adore you. Come into my life, I got so much love to show you. Come into my life, Lord, I adore you.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, also permit me to introduce one of our special guests of honor for tonight. He's no other person than Mr. Okpeyemi Agbaje, and he's the chairman of the National Pension Commission, PENCOM. You're most welcome, sir. Hello. As dinner is served, we will proceed with the next item on our program of event, which will be institutional and special honorary awards for organizations that have impacted positively towards the growth and development of MSMEs in Nigeria and beyond. I would like to call on Mr. Oluremi Akonde, the Executive Director, Lapo Microfinance Bank, to assist us in presentation of some of these awards. Please come forward. A round of applause for him. Mr. Oluremi Akonde. Where is Mr. Jude? Okay.
What was that word for? Yes. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This award is presented to NISA for MSME Agri-Finance Enabler of the Year. Congratulations.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for the award. The mandate of NISA PLC is to facilitate the flow of finance and investments to agribusiness. And we do that across Nigeria, from Gwanri in Adamawa, all the way to Ikom, all the way to the ports of Lagos. What we do for SMEs in agribusiness is to ensure that that small business is able to grow by getting financing. Some of it can be quantified and some cannot be quantified. What cannot be quantified is that person that can now double his production because we have supported the factory close to him. But from what can be quantified, we've done about 77 billion this year alone that we've facilitated to agribusinesses across the country.
Thank you. Mr. Jude, join them for the group photograph. Yes. Jude, okay. The next recipient for MSME Focused FinTech Digital Payment Platform of the Year is FSDH Merchant Bank Limited. FSDH Merchant Bank Limited. Anyone from that bank? Okay. Okay. I know. Okay, just a minute. Permit me to recognize the presence of the Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Keystone Bank, Malam Hassan Imam, who today became a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria, CIBN. Congratulations. Thank you very much. My chairman, just one more. For MSME focused fintech digital payment platform of the year, no other than MasterCard. MasterCard, Dr. Folashade, FCA.
Okay. Again, it gives me great pleasure to present the award of MSME Focused FinTech Stroke Digital Payment Platform of the Year to a company that has played a big role in transforming payments in the Nigerian space, MasterCard.
Thank you, sir. May I, at this point, invite the Executive Director, Keystone Bank, Mr. Abubakar Bello, to do us the honors of presenting the next awards. Please, a round of applause for him. The next recipient is MSME FinTech Payment Platform. No, sorry. MSME value-added offerings on fintech platforms goes to Zest Payment Limited. Zest Payment. I thought I saw the CEO some minutes ago. Zest Payment, please come forward. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, Lapo is not.
Yeah, welcome. So I hereby present this award to Zest Payments Limited for being the MSME FinTech Payment Platform of the Year. Congratulations, Zest. Thank you. So I think we should-
Let me have the mic. This way. The next recipient for MSME Insurance Company of the Year is Ansa Mansard Insurance PLC. Ansa Mansard. Okay, if they're not here, okay, all right. Okay, may I ask my country manager for MasterCard to please do us the honor of presenting this award? Dr. Folashade, please.
right. The award for the MSME Insurance Company of the Year is presented to AXA Mansard Insurance PLC. Congratulations.
Dr. Folashade, you do us one more honors, please. Okay. The next recipient is the MSME Non-Interest Bank of the Year. Goes to Jaiz Bank PLC. So, the MD is here, accompanied by the group heads. I've seen them. Please, a round of applause for Jaiz Bank. They've done series of interventions this year in billions of naira to a lot of MSMEs.
I'm particularly excited about this award because Jaiz Bank is a partner of MasterCard as well. So it gives me great pleasure to announce the MSME Non-Interest Islamic Bank of the Year. This award goes to Jaiz Bank PLC. Congratulations, sir.
For the next category of awards, may I invite Mrs. Kemi Okusoya to do us the honors of making this presentation. A round of applause for her, please. The next recipient is the MSME Media Development Partner of the Year. Goes to News Central Television. News Central. Okay.
I must say that it gives me great pleasure to be presenting this. I think for two reasons. One is the fact that media holds a very important, place and space even in our business. Without it, we really don't know what we're doing, and nobody gets to know what we're doing. News Central, by the way, I remember when I first got to know them, I was very impressed. Like, oh wow, where have these people been all our lives? So thank you so much for all the work you're doing. I feel very proud to be presenting this to you. Thank you so much, and congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
For our knowledge partner, ProShare, also is a recipient for MSME Media Development Award. Madam Kemi, you still do us one more honors? Yes. ProShare. All right. We have someone from ProShare here.
Big congratulations to ProShare. Always observed you from afar. Feels very honorable for me to be very close to you today and presenting this award. Thank you very much. Thank you. You want to hold that? Thank you. Sorry. The mic. Thank you.
May I call on the MD of Jaiz Bank PLC to do us the honors of doing the next presentation for MSME FinTech Lending Platform of the Year goes to Credit Direct Finance Company Limited. Credit Direct.
Okay. I think we have seen the statistics that has been rolled out, by the MasterCard team, where we have seen that we have about 38 million businesses that are focused on micro and small medium enterprises. They provide about 98% of employment in the country. They contribute about 48% of the GDP of Nigeria. But we haven't discussed about the constraint. The constraint is accessibility, to the finance. That's why we congratulate you for providing that access as a foremost fintech company. So for being our partner in supporting the micro, small, medium enterprises, let me use this opportunity to congratulate you most sincerely.
Thank you. We'll take a break for the next 5 minutes with some music interlude. Then we'll come to the individual awards specifically for chief executive officers of institutions and companies that have facilitated the growth and development of MSMEs. Music, please. Thank you. Before we move on to the individual awards for CEOs, we have some institutional awards by error of commission. We didn't call, and we sincerely apologize, and we'll do that immediately. For the MSME Digital Bank of the Year for inclusive growth and contributing significantly to financial inclusion and entrepreneurship. This goes to Polaris Bank. And to do us the honors of that presentation, I will call on Alhaji Abubakar Bello, Executive Director, Keystone Bank, to do us the honors of this presentation. It goes to Polaris Bank. Jude Undu.
Is it a coincidence that I'm selected to give you this award, being a part of the team in my former life? So, so anyway, congratulations for being the. Oh, yeah. I congratulate you for this award for MSME Digital Bank of the Year for Inclusive Growth. Congratulations once again, and my best regard to the team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Interestingly, the ED is a product of Polaris Bank as well, so he's back to his family. So ED, please just do us one more honors of giving another award to our Microfinance Bank of the Year, and that goes to Asion Microfinance Bank Limited for financial inclusion and empowering Nigerian micro-entrepreneurs and low-income earners. Asion. Please, a round of applause for them.
Microfinance banks are at the center of financial inclusion, and their role in MSME financing cannot be understated. So on that note, I congratulate Asio Microfinance Bank for being the MSME Microfinance Bank of the Year. Congratulations. Thank you.
May I invite Mr. Israel, the Executive Director of Lapo Microfinance Bank, to do us the honors of presenting the next award. And this award goes to the Merchant Bank of the Year that has contributed significantly to the growth of MSMEs in providing customized financial solutions that empower all small businesses to grow, innovate, and contribute meaningfully to national economy. FSDH Merchant Bank Limited. FSDH. Are they here? FSDH. Okay, we'll go to the next award. The next award goes to This is individual category, and we'll be calling on the MSME Digital Finance CEO of the Year. Is no other person than Dr. Stanley Jacob, the Chief Executive Officer of Zest Payments Limited.
Congratulations, sir. This is an honorable award. Digital Finance CEO of the Year.
Managing Director, CEO, Action Microfinance Bank Limited, is also ably represented.
Okay. Thank you very much. Presented to Mr. Taiwo Joda, MD CEO, Action Microfinance Bank, the award of MSME Microfinance Bank CEO of the Year.
Also, we have Mr. Chukuma Wanze, Managing Director, CEO, Credit Direct Finance Company Limited, as the MSME FinTech Lending CEO of the Year. Mr. Chukuma Wanze.
Congratulations, presenting the award of MSME Finance Lending CEO of the Year to Mr. Chukuma Nwanze.
All right, this is to also recognize the Merchant Bank CEO of the Year 2025, Mrs. Bukola Smith, Managing Director, CEO of FSDH Merchant Bank Limited, who is unavoidably absent. We will now move to the next agenda, the next item on the agenda, which is our closing remarks by the event chairperson, no other than our Chairman of the Nigerian Pension Commission. Thank you, sir.
Let me use the podium, if you don't mind. Okay, good evening, everyone. I think it's been a very interesting evening, even though I came in a bit late, but I tendered my apologies to the organizer. I've been in many parts of Lagos and Ogun State today, and I'm happy I came back and still met a large part of the evening. I want to commend the very enterprising CEO of the organizers. I don't know how he does it. He keeps putting these events together. Just less than 2 months ago, I was at the MSME Finance, not the awards, but the more intellectual part of it. And this evening, just shortly afterwards, I'm happy to be here. I commend him for his enterprise, his vision, and his hard work. I also want to commend all of those who have received awards this evening for various categories of awards. I believe it's a recognition of the roles that all of us, all of you, have played in developing the MSME sector, whether it is insurance or payments or lending bank or fintech, for different categories. I can testify that all of these sectors of our economy have developed tremendously over the last decade. I know what payments, what MSME finance, what fintech, what digital, all of those things were 2-3 decades ago when we were more active in the banking sector. And commendations to everybody for all the advances we have secured in our financial sector. In many ways, we are pioneers globally in all of this innovation. And perhaps these awards will lead to greater innovations and greater advancement. So I want to thank everybody. It's been a great evening. I ask that you not rest on your laurels. And once again, I say well done to the organizers. Thank you very much and have a good evening.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we'll say it's see you next year for another round of awards. It's time for dance, dance, dance. If you are tired, if you don't have a house to go to, stay behind and dance. Thank you and good night.
It's legendary beats.
They know my story. From old dogs to do. I be home.